like a Hellcat.
What's up, everybody? It's Uso back again with another video. Got a $60 session of this old $20 $215 million cash explosion, and I got Pinky here for the new one, so you all know this is not an old video. Yep, it was in the machine in this little restaurant called Rosie's here in the White Hills, Arizona, and I got tickets 10, 9, and 8. So let's start off with ticket number 10 now. This one is just like Pinky. It's just a matching game. Money bags $100 instantly, 20x, 20 times the price. And the overall odds is 1 at 3.09. All right, let's go. You can tell this thing is old. Yeah. All right, starting off with my lucky number 8, 1839, Hawaii 50, the dirty 30, 38, and a deuce. 42, no 40s up there. No 40s and no 20s. 33, 12, no 40s, no 20s. 17 went off. 31. No 40s, no 20s. Seriously, they all want to come out. We need a dirty 30 and Hawaii 50. 37 went off. 34. Number 4. No 40s. Wrong 0. 35, 19, 24, 45, no 40s, no 40s, and random reds 32 on the clutch corner with nothing. All right, let's go. Ticket number, my lucky number 8. Come on. Starting off with 49ers. Come on, 20x. Nope, no 20x. All right. Let's go. 43, 5. So Miss Amanda's 23, 34, 28, we got 38, 48, 8. The deuce, we got 12, 42, 21. No 21. All right. My ticket didn't come through. All right, let's go. Fancy Nancy, number 9. Let's go, Nancy. Come on, 20x. Come on. Bam! We got the 20x, baby. Fancy Nancy comes through. Oh, I skipped that. I did 10, 8, and I got the 9. All right. Come on, baby. And you got Fancy Nancy right there. Let's go. All right, 36. We got 16, 46, 26, and 6. No 36. 7, you got 37, 17, 18. We got a match, 18, 25. 12, 29, 45. All right, so just the 20x and 18. All right, baby, come on, come on. Let's see what's under the 20x first. Come on, baby, come on. It's 20. Hey, $40. I would take that. Unless I missed something. Yeah, there's a $40 win. Oops. Yep, $40 win. Awesome. I would take that, guys. $60 of this old $250 million cash explosion. Like I said, we got the new one here, the pinky, and this orange is the old one. So spent 60, I got $40 back. All right, guys, thank you all for watching, and now please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys all on the next video. All right, everybody, aloha. All right.